Are you looking to start lacrosse, improve your basic catching and throwing, or just have some fun? Well, you're in the right spot. In this video, we will show you how to learn to catch and throw. The first step to throwing a lacrosse ball is the proper hand placement and feet position. Your opposite foot should be the one stepping in front of the other when following through. Your dominant hand should be at the top of the stick and your non-dominant should be at the bottom. Now let me show you it again after teaching you the technique. The next thing we will show you how to do is catch the ball. Notice how when Ava threw me the ball, my feet were in a proper athletic stance ready to go, slightly apart from one another, pointing towards the thrower. You will then make sure your dominant hand is towards the very top of the stick and the non-dominant is at the bottom, just like throwing. Here is the complete look. That's all we have to teach. Hope this helps you out on the proper technique on how to catch and throw a lacrosse ball.